Morning guys. Today will be a different day. Because the nice view yesterday completely disappeared. So the idea for today is ride from the south of Germany all the way down to the south of Austria. Check out the weather. I hope it's getting better, but the weather forecast will be around 20 degrees today. And if we ride in this, I will put my raincoat on because I think we'll get wet. It's not very cold, so that's a good thing. Quite windy as well. What the fuck? Jammer, sad weather. Come on guys, what a weather. You can't see anything. We are currently up the mountain, so I hope it will get better when you're down. We all have our rain suits on. My helmet broke, so I hope my glasses will not get foggy. It's 15 degrees, 321 kilometers to go for today. But in these conditions, well, it will take us the whole day. Let's ride in rain mode. My own safety. That's better. Alright, see you on the road guys. First stop in Austria. Saw some nice mountains. Now it's time for some food in a very touristic area where things are open on Sunday, so that's nice. Waiting for Jos and get some nice bread or something. So the rain stopped a bit and we are in Austria already. Quick fuel stop. Scenery is amazing already. See you on the road again. Alright guys, we are at the end of our day. We had a lot of rain but also a little bit of sunshine at the end. We are now in Austria and the roads are absolutely amazing. We had 2 passes already and in the last one it was just amazing. I only filmed vertical. Yeah, this is our new hotel. This one, I think I'm gonna sleep very nice tonight because we have a big room and a small little child room. I'm not so big, so I'm gonna sleep over there. We are all completely broken because the weather just sucks today. So cold, warm, wet, but we made it. It was an awesome day, and it is a little bit noisy over here because
We have this next to our hotel. All the rain we had today coming down the mountains. Now let's throw the drone into the air and have a look at the environment over here. And of course, we need to take a few lovely pictures of the bike in an awesome environment. Hope you enjoyed the footage, and we'll see you on the road again.